not going to war. Stop.
Relax.
Stop.
Dude, relax.
Stop.
Yeah, relax.
I swear to God,
he got some PTSD,
you're gonna make a big old
Relax.
scene out of this. Don't grab me. Don't grab me. Don't grab me.
Joe Jerome, I'm in the house in your mouth. Joe Jerome's in the house in your mouth like ooh, ooh.
What up, y'all? Yeah, it's me again. It's Rummy Rome in the house, in your mouth. Joe Jerome, I'm in the house, and I'm in your mouth. Like, ooh, ooh. I say, ooh, ooh, ooh. Back at it with another video. Back at it with another banger. This one is entitled Bully Refuses to Pay $130 tab at the airport. Restaurant airport. Uh-oh. So, somebody about to get kicked off the plane or something, a no-fly zone, something, or you ain't gonna you'll miss your flight because you didn't want to pay to eat. So before we get to the video, remember, call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend, let them know Rummy Roman's in the house. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep your mind right, keep your mind tight, keep thriving and surviving. Check your mentals, emotionals, spirituals, and just keep striving and thriving for what you want, man. Let's just jump right into this video, see what's going on. Usually the airport videos are pretty good, but this is like this is the one place where you don't want something to happen because it's just so many people. Like this like the biggest embarrassment out there. I feel like when you dealing with people like that and being in the airport and all that stuff, that's the last place you want to be embarrassed. You know what I mean? Like, it's the last place you want to have the cops stop you and arrest you, and then you act crazy and you loud and you miss your flight. And this is like the airport ones, man, be the craziest ones though.
On November 14, 2023, the Dallas-Fort Worth Airport Police Department was called to the scene at the airport for reports of a man who did not pay a restaurant bill within the airport concourse. The following shows the body-worn camera footage of what happened during the incident.
Hello. Hey, what's up, man? And no word. He's gonna rip. Did someone keep an eye on him?
Yeah, our manager's with him.
The manager's over there?
Yeah.
Okay, did she have his tab?
I think so.
Okay.
The airport's busy too, so not the place you want to be embarrassed, especially over food, over a tab for food.
It's what?
Oh, there you are. Hey.
Hey, it's me again.
What's going on?
He walked his tab and refuses to pay.
This guy here?
Yeah. He says he's a vet and I shouldn't be trying to get him to pay.
He didn't pay. Did you pay this, man?
Sorry about that.
Did you pay this?
Yep. Don't touch me.
Why don't you sit down for me, okay?
You get it.
You paid this.
Don't grab me. Don't
Okay,
touch me.
sit down. Sit down. We're going to figure this out. Hey, just sit down.
Talking to?
Don't talk to me like I'm a little kid.
Okay, don't talk to me like I'm not a police officer. Okay, sit down.
Oh.
We're going to get this figured out.
Let's figure it out.
All right, sit down. We'll figure it out.
Nope.
Okay,
Let's go.
All right. Edward 3, can you get over here? We're going to be at Edward 17. Did you pay this?
Yep.
How'd you pay it?
Credit card.
Credit card. Is that true? No, that's not true.
bold-faced lie. You're
So,
a bald-headed lie.
Do you have a receipt that shows that you paid for it?
When they started Tab,
Okay.
they took a credit card.
Okay.
And so,
So then they would have given you a receipt,
excuse
right?
me, ma'am?
Well, actually, I'll step over. Did they give you a receipt?
I'm not here to.
Okay.
all this bullshit.
Listen.
We don't need to go through all this.
Okay,
dumb shit.
I'm being told that you didn't pay it, right? So it's my job to investigate this, right? Because it's a crime, right? It's theft of service.
It's not a crime.
It is. It's theft
I
of
paid.
service.
I prayed.
You prayed?
You want to be a smartass, motherfucker?
I'm confused.
Yeah, you're gonna get real confused fast.
Yeah. Is that did you threaten me or what is this? What is this? We trying to act big here?
Boy, I fucking man,
First class Delta 360
small guy with the big guy syndrome.
Look, I'm just trying to make sure this person gets paid,
So
right?
I'm a Marine Corps
Okay, pay you for service.
veteran. You don't know what I just came to.
Okay. That's
You
that's
have
none of
no
my business.
fucking clue.
That's none of my business. You need to calm down, man. I'm
I
trying
don't
to
need
get
to
this,
do shit.
I'm trying to figure this out. Okay, so we can get this person paid.
Touch me and find out what fine.
Okay. All right.
What?
Oh, that's a threat.
Edward 3, he's probably going to fight us.
I've got
Be
the
Edward 17
receipt.
if we can get another officer over here. Where's the receipt? That's not the right receipt. Okay.
Give me a second.
He drunk, yo.
He's very intoxicated. I'm gonna get one more chance to pay it and go from there. Are y'all wanting to press charges if you didn't pay it?
The reason we're called is they said that you didn't pay the
Yeah,
bill.
just get away from me, okay?
I'll talk with you. Or are you refusing?
I asked you to get away.
I'm gonna back up my officer.
He's gotta be with me. It's just our policy. So why don't you want to pay your bill?
I'll pay my bill all day long.
Okay.
I got all the money in the world.
I'm not saying you don't have the money or anything. They just said that you would refuse to pay it.
That's totally wrong.
Okay.
My goodness, I love paying.
I understand. You don't seem to be the type of guy who just runs out on bills. What do you?
I've got all the money.
So what was?
No clue
So-
what her deal is. I really don't.
Okay. They said that you didn't pay the tab. Okay. So this is a yes or no. Are you going to pay the tab?
Yep.
Okay. Do you want to use credit card or use cash?
What pisses me off is why. Look how embarrassing this is.
Nobody knows who we are, sir.
Oh, nobody.
Well, I mean, it's. Would you like to step over? I mean, but it's embarrassing. Does anybody know who we are?
It's ridiculous.
But you
I got
gotta-
money. I got
It's
everything.
a $130 tab, man. That's why they're here. Okay.
Jeez, $130.
So that's a lot of money, right? Especially for a
It is.
server that's working on tips. Okay. That's why that they're here talking to you. Okay.
When I already paid it, that's the issue. I already closed out.
And you told me you had a receipt for it, right?
Yep.
Can you show me that receipt?
Nope.
Okay. Then I have reason to believe that you did not pay
So I
for
get
it.
double charged.
Did you pay cash
can-
or with a card?
I paid with the card.
Do you have like on your app? Like I can show on my app, like if I charge on my card, it would show me, and then we can get it cleared up and get out of your hair. Are you flying out somewhere today?
Yeah, I'm an old Montana boy.
Where you at from in Montana?
I-
Look it up. You said you paid it with a card. If you could show me that credit card receipt, I will tell them that they're mistaken and that you did pay it, but that would help alleviate everything if you could show me that credit card
Okay.
statement.
Man, you didn't pay, huh? You say you drunk and you forgot.
You got two for like $99.
Not TGF Fridays.
And then
Taco and tequila. And it's for $130.
You were at Taco Tequila.
Man.
Yep, absolutely.
So none of these are for taco and tequila. Look, TGI, Barley House. I don't know what that is. Those looks like HD supply. I don't know what that is. Do you?
Yep. That's Dallas.
Okay. Skydiving Center. Another one, that same one. Tom Thumb.
Let's go back this way. That's not.
No, sir. You were at Tacos and Tequilas.
Yeah, Taco.
That's a
2.0.
completely different restaurant. It's for about $130.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Let's just go up there
It's
and clear that
misunderstanding.
I'm so sorry.
You're fine. Can we go
So
get you
sorry.
to walk up there and we take care of that bill and?
Yep, absolutely.
All right.
Oh my goodness.
It's all right. It's all right.
Man,
Mistakes happen.
I'm so sorry.
When we bow up to each
But
other, it
when
just
that-
becomes a whole nother thing.
Like somebody's running at
I
me
get it.
down.
I get it. I get it.
I go.
We figured it out. We figured it out. Can you grab your stuff? We'll walk down there and get it paid for? Yep. It's 31.
Was it just a big misunderstanding, or is he gonna act bad? I don't know. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think's gonna happen. Personally, I think something's gonna flip, and then he gonna jump back. Maybe he says he's a military vet. Maybe he got a little bit of PTSD, and drinking makes him forget, but also might make him angry, or may make him act aggressive. I don't know. Let's see what happens.
Maybe that's what's all fucked up.
What?
This is as far as I went.
No,
when
sir.
I ate and drank.
You came from this bar, Tacos and Tequilas.
I sat right at that bar.
You might have been there. Well, I know for a fact you were there before because you have 2 charges on your credit card. But I think you came to this place afterwards. The manager here and the bartender, server, said you were sitting there for a while.
Down there?
Okay. I'm Austin. Tell me your name so I can address
Been to
you.
war?
I have not.
Catch up when you have Austin.
Okay. Well, do you know where you're at right now? You know what airport you're at? Come, we're gonna pay this. Come on.
I'm at. Don't at me, Austin.
Stop. Hey.
I'm at Dallas Fort Worth, Austin.
Stop. Put your backpack down for me. Put your backpack. You're talking about.
Dang, yo. It was tripping. He had too much to drink.
Or at this time, please make sure you have a boarding pass out and ready to scan. Thank you.
We're good. We're just going to go.
Does it count? Does it hat?
I'm good. Just went over there for a second. Whose are these? Whatever the case.
Dang, boy. Bad situation.
Zone 225, welcome to Warner Congress on 2 Flight 3986 with service into Philadelphia. You are
I'm a Marine Corps veteran that I know this.
Congratulations! Right now, that doesn't matter. This ain't for you. Shut up.
I didn't fight.
If you're in the Marine Corps, you guys should know better. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go out. Closest one is 22.
Jeez, how embarrassing, man.
Excuse us.
Cheers.
Yeah,
Just right down
Was he
there.
even going anywhere?
Get in. Left foot in.
There's 3 y'all here. Martin walked out. Martin's never here with us.
Come on, you got it.
Yo, it kind of seemed like he bar hopped at the airport, cause it's like Nobody asked him if he had a plane ticket. Was he going anywhere? He said he was from Montana. I might have missed the part where he said he was going back to Montana. He must have been going back to Montana, but like nothing about his flight came up. None of the cops asked about his flight. He'd been there and now he's just there. So it's like, was he tripping? Or was he on like layover or something? Because he himself didn't seem too concerned about catching his flight either. He was just like, hey, I was at this bar where I spent $99 and then I walked down to another bar, spent another $130. Like, if you spent that much money in a matter of a couple of hours at an airport, you beyond lit. You know what I mean? Not unless he just, some people are heavy drinkers, especially like military vet dudes. If they've seen some stuff, if they've been through some stuff, if they got some PTSD, they can drink like crazy and be functional drunks. I don't know. It seems like kind of that's what he was doing, but also kind of seemed like he was just bar hopping at the airport. He was getting lit, paid his bill, and might have got so drunk he forgot that he didn't pay his bill. Something, I don't know. That's crazy, but he ain't going wherever the hell he was trying to go. I know that.
Scoot your butt in. There you go, get your feet in.
Look, starting to become incoherent, dog. Can't move. Like,
slide over.
I can tell it when I'm walking out.
he ain't saying nothing. He ain't moving. Is he drunk? Is he like passed out?
I got this. We have that. I'll plug it. That's it.
Yeah, it's landed on it.
I'm fine. If you're hurt, let us know. We'll talk.
If it hurts now, do it.
Alright, I guess that was the end of the video. So yeah, he was obviously didn't go home, spent the night in jail. That's why I always say call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend. You know what I mean? It's not just the opening. It's like that. To me, that means call somebody, let somebody know how you doing. If you got something mentally going on, or if you struggling, or if you have a friend, tell them to call you. It's vice versa. If they struggling, if they going through something, man, a lot of people's emotionals, spirituals, and mentals are all off, man. The system is breaking a lot of people. A lot of people in these videos, you can see they just at their wits end. Like they at their wits end. They tired of it. They over it. They had a bad day. They just want to go home. But now because of the internet, everybody know their rights because of videos they be watching and try to, when they get in that situation and try to apply it and it don't come out right because they're not in the right mind. All that, man. So crazy video, but remember, call a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, call a friend. Let them know that Roman's in the house, in your mouth. Jojo Rome, I'm in the house, and I'm in your mouth. Like, oh. Call your peoples, man. Check on your peoples. Make sure you check on yourself before you start giving your light out to everybody else, man. Don't let these energy vampires suck you dry. Keep your mind right. Keep your mind tight. Keep thriving and surviving out there, y'all. Peace and blessings.